What's up, YouTube? Just gonna do a quick 5-minute game with analysis before I gotta go pick my daughter up from school. Yeah, one quick 5-minute game. Blitz rating's actually doing pretty well for what I'm used to. Usually hovers around 2100, but got it up to 2150. We'll see. Okay, accelerated dragon. I was playing very fast. Okay, bishop e2 line again. Yeah, bishop e2 and f3 doesn't really make too much sense. Man, this guy's playing very speedy. See no reason not to give him an isolated pawn. True, I also have an isolated pawn, but now this move seems pretty good. It's true you could trade queens and back up the bishop. Or do that. So should I trade queens? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and trade queens. So we both have structural problems, but I have two bishops. Should have a slight edge. See what he does about this. I don't really know if I want to take and then take that, but he takes care of the problem anyway. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this bird. Oh, you can see the pigeon. Pigeon's debut on YouTube. Okay, hitting my rook. Could exact the exchange, but that doesn't seem to make a whole lot of sense. Rook takes, bishop here. Yeah, that doesn't seem justified. What I can do is come here, maybe swing over, maybe. Yeah, I don't like this move for him. I don't know why he would do that. Oh, I guess I do know why. It does free up his knight. I could double on b file, but b3. Hmm. Go here. In the interest of time. Wow, suddenly I'm a minute down. That always happens to me. I'm gonna play h5, threatening h4. I don't know if it's a really big threat. Bishop f5 could be annoying for him. Yeah, he does do that. Oh, the bird just jumps on my back. You guys can see him. Yeah, he's just chilling there. Okay, fair enough. But the c2 pawn might be a problem. Now you can play rook e2. So he's holding it together, and meanwhile, I'm falling way behind on the clock. Okay, this move, I'm gonna take it. Well, rook c. Yeah, that looks like a good move. Annoyingly good. But let's take. Not sure what's happening. I think it's just gonna be equal. Yeah. But he's gonna have a passed pawn. I don't. Still, this should be equal. Hmm. Really want to go this way with the king. but you can check me if I do that. Passed pawns must be pushed. I'm still over a minute down on the clock. Not good. Really want to win. I'll be in just a slightly better mood with my daughter if I do win. I like to be in a good mood with my daughter. She deserves it. Okay, let's threaten mates. Oh, he's threatening mate in 2. No, he's not. Okay. Yeah, I can't calculate. Okay. H4 he might play. It'll be interesting to analyze after. I don't know how much time I'm going to have for that. I think I'm better. I think my pawn is way faster than his. And my king actually is going to come up nicely, so he's going to do that. If I push, he's going to get behind. Let's come up with my king. If I push, he's going to get behind. If I push again, he can play here. Can't push the c pawn because I'll take his rook. Very low time. Oh, that's a bit annoying. If I come up, he's going to check and take, so we'll go back. Yeah, time is going to be hopefully not the factor, but I'll repeat once. Yeah, I don't think there's any way out of this. I just have to take a draw if that's what he wants. Oh, yeah, it was a draw. It's threefold. Interesting, USCF, that wouldn't be a draw. But online, it's a draw. There's no threefolds in USCF Blitz as far as I know. Okay, so that was a little disappointing. Down to 2150 even. Let's analyze real quick. Let me check the time. Yeah, oh, I still have plenty of time. Move myself out of the way over to the chat. Yeah, and indeed the engine says it's equal. But I bet I had a slight edge at one point. Yeah, bishop e2 and f3, I don't really get it. They don't go together. Yeah, rook b8 makes sense. But my move is so bad. And he should trade queens here, that way he can move his bishop. He really doesn't like me trading queens. Yeah. So I think my queen is stronger than his. Threatening to come out to a5. His queen is kind of defensive. Anywhere he moves it, I can play queen a5 or rook b8. So I should just take. And that scores well, although, yeah, queen takes queen won in one other game. Only other game that's been played since my game. This position it's only occurred. Oh yeah, this has only occurred twice. Now suddenly it's transposed and there's 8 games. Bishop d4 check. Putting his king in the corner. Still bishop d4 check. Still bishop d4 check. Still bishop d4 check. Yeah, I didn't think this was a good move. And yeah, bishop f5 right away would have been better. Wow, I'm losing almost +3 after this. Oh, I think I see the idea. If he defends here, Do I take? Oh, yeah. Yeah, he has too many weaknesses. Okay, so this is kind of the natural move, but this is very, very strong. And this pawn is weak, overextended, hard to defend. If here, I can do this. Yeah, if here, just put more pressure. He can't come up to defend. If he goes back to defend, I'll just kick him out like this, not even taking the e-pawn. If I play bishop takes here, he can check me, so I'm just getting out of the way. Yeah, this is the just precision and cruelty that the computer has. Just being like, I'm just going to keep all my threats, make a nice little king move, and you're just screwed. Yeah, these bishops are really strong. And this is amazingly +4. I'll just play a few more moves. I'm not even taking this pawn, just coming tidally back. You know, blocking the f file in case this bishop moves. He's never going to have counterplay with rook takes f7 check. Brutal. Okay, so rook d7 was a big mistake. Still should have some advantage. Bishop f8 doesn't feel good. Because what about this? f6. f6, and if he takes, I'm running home somehow. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, f6 I don't think I would have seen in a Blitz game, but maybe in the future I'll see a move like that. So f6 takes e3, rook d8. Interference. Wow, these are some cool tactics. If bishop takes bishop, I have this move, presumably. And if rook takes, rook takes. Is this winning? Engine says it's winning. Yeah, this is a good move cutting off the king. And supposedly I should be able to win that. So that's cool. So, okay, where was I? So instead, oh yeah. Bishop d6. What's the idea? Oh, yeah. This bird is yelling in my ear as he tends to do. But I'll be rid of him soon enough. And yeah, this is just a draw. There's really no way for me out if I come up here. If I come here, this is actually mate. Wow, I didn't see that. So yeah, it's a perpetual check, perpetual attack, and the king can't escape. So yeah, some instructive moments. Rook over here earlier in the game, and bishop here with tactics. Yeah, computers always just. Oh well, be rid of them soon enough. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.